It's Memorial Weekend. We are going to go to beach to have some fun. We have crabbing net, food, bed, poles, canopy, chairs. Of course, we did not forget masks. It's Memorial Weekend, and here we are at Container Beach. It's only 9:45. Already a lot of people here. We are crabbing here and going to check if we caught the crabs. Okay, we're going to check this one first. Let's see. Oh, we got one. Yeah, another little one underneath dropped. It's big enough, yeah. 5 inch, yeah. Here has the crabs we have so far. Now it's 12:40. More and more people came to beach. It's noon time now. A lot of people are here for party. These are crabs. These two crabbing expert got today, and they will count how many. Okay, guys.
5. Alright, you're gonna go third.
3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 'This is a big one. 8. 9. Oh, okay.
8.
Isn't that right? 10. This is a big one. Very big.
Yeah.
11. Okay, how many? Okay, probably we can put another. Hold up here. Like this. 12. 13. Oh, be careful. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20.
I guess exactly.
21. 22.
Dang. All right.
On the money.
23. Okay. These are crabs caught today. We just simply steamed them and going to take crab meat out. These are crab meat from 23 crabs. This chef here made crab dip with the crab we got today. It's really, really delicious.